All right, we're at my kitchen, and what I like to do when I do large meals for my family, I use these because I put fruits, vegetables, and it's more attracting on these little platters. They're perfect for birthday parties, celebration, or just like I said, dinner, lunch, breakfast, and they're well made, if you guys can see that. And it tells you right here, oven safe, dishwasher safe, right? So that is a guarantee, so you don't have to worry about too much of a washing, a hassle, because some of these materials tend not to work on any dishwashers or anywhere else. An oven are perfect. So your meals, you could just put your shrimp in here, lemon, salt, pepper, and put them in the actual oven, and they'll be done in minutes. I've done this many times. Now, I like to use these for presentations in my meals because I think that when you present something beautiful in your household, everybody's gonna enjoy it even better. So check it out, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Take everything out, so I like to keep the tortillas separate. Oops. Oh, there goes one. Because they steam pretty good in here. Really good in here. The smell is just incredible. And then take the meat off. Look at that, beautiful. Ooh. Distribute here some of the meats. Well cooked. Look at that. Now we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Get that going. Get the caramelized onions. The top. Some of them burned, but didn't stick to the pan at all. Asparagus. Throw them all in there. Get that going. Get those juices going. Flowing some of the onions. Like I said, this dish is microwavable. So get your microwave. Put it in there. All right, we're gonna close this. 90 seconds, that's how much it needs. Start it, and that's it. That's a microwavable dish now. All right, it's ready. Let's get it out, and then like I said, look at this, microwavable, perfect. I'm gonna let the plate cool off for a little bit. All right, time to take out the vegetables, and this thing is not hot. As I was telling you, look at that. Well distributed, well cooked, onions, caramelized. Everything gives a good flavor. So we're ready to take everything out. Woo! Lost a couple of people here. There you go. But we got them survivors. Ultimate meals.